Sigma Aldrich is the world's largest supplier and manufacturer of research chemicals. We've got $2.2 billion in sales. We've got 280,000 different SKUs that we offer. One of the unique things about us is we've got 1 million different customers, and none of those customers make up a significant percentage of our sales. We've grown a lot over the years. That's been real challenging for us. We add a lot of distributors. Those 21 distribution centers only 10 years ago was only 10. So we've added a lot of business, which is very, very difficult to forecast and to plan. At the same time, our sales have really grown too. We were just $1 billion company 10 years ago, so we've more than doubled in size. So there's a lot of challenges for forecasting and planning when there's significant growth like that. We sell to research customers, to your hospitals, to researchers around the world, as well as even to pharmaceuticals. So all of the products that we sell, we can sell in small bottles, but we also sell them in bulk. We have 6.8 million records that we plan. So we have to have a very dynamic system, one that's able to forecast masses of items without us having to have a lot of input to it. So Logility gives us really the both, the power to really set parameters and let them go, and also the ability to really fine-tune and work with an individual forecast and really get that forecast accuracy down and improve it dramatically. The ability to react fast. We have a lot of distribution centers that we purchased over the years from other suppliers. We needed to be able to go in, analyze those inventory plans, analyze all those items that are stocked there, and be able to come up with a stocking strategy and get it in place quick. Many times we'll go into a country, China for instance, and have to revamp our total stocking strategy because a new warehouse will open up and they'll want to fill it, and a lot of customers that'll come with that. Logility's allowed us to really be able to react quickly to that, to go in and within a week have a full inventory planning strategy, forecast, and ready to go. So it's been very, very flexible, very dynamic for us, very powerful to be able to make those kind of changes. Well, I would recommend Logility because it is a very powerful and scalable system, as well as it's best of breed. And what was really key to us were two things. One was that it was going to be scalable, that it would grow with us, that we really believed that this company would partner with us and be around and work with us if we needed modifications, if we wanted things new, and that was going to innovate over the years. Logility has proved that to be the case. They have a history of it, and they continue with that. But I think secondly is really the power of the system, its ability, its forecasting accuracy, the models. And if you're going to start with a system, go out and get the best from forecast accuracy, because that's where it all starts. Logility is very flexible. We do simulations all the time. That's our business, with all these new distribution centers and doing inventory analysis and trying to squeeze every inventory dollar out and every point of service level up. You have to be able to do analysis, and the Logility allows us to do that analysis, see what those simulations are, make a choice, and then implement them quickly. That's what I'd look for today. You have to be agile. You can't have slow processes. If you can't move quickly, you lose your competitive advantage. Your competitors will end up passing you if you can't move quickly.